Alright guys, no cool, fan's the only thing that's running, variable speed condenser fan motor. Seems like we're dropping a leg. So what we're gonna do is go over here. Oh, it's an old breaker right there, boys. See what we got. Still dropping a leg, huh? Let's take this off. Hope there ain't no wasps in here. $250, 120 coming out. Let's see here. Let me turn it off. See if we can't get this bad boy out. Turn it on continuity, which is just a beep, and you'll hear it something like that if it's checking. So I check from here to here, that's good, and here to here, which is good. And I'll check it off, but you shouldn't read anything. So it's working now. Let's see if we can't put this bad boy back in and see what we get. Probably end up changing this breaker out, to be honest with you. Oops. See what that does. I have to edit that out. definitely a bad breaker right there. So let's see if we got a 50 amp on the van. Make sure that bad boy's off. A little loose. On there pretty good. It's the old breaker. Try to flatten them down a bit. So they'll fit in the new type. And as you can see, they got 1, 2, 3, 4 breakers that are not even being used, but they're all 30s. And this unit at least needs a 50 amp. So we're going to put our new one in instead of doing it hacked way. That's good. Ooh. That ain't good, boys. That ain't good at all. I'll check and see if this compressor's grounded out. Sometimes you'll see wires skint up or something going straight to ground. And I'll do my continuity since it is a dead short. Which ain't good. Going a suction line. There you got it. Compressor's completely grounded out, boys. And if you really want to check and you notice the breaker was, well, I'm not going to turn it on because of the fan, but can leave it unhooked. Put a screw or two in it. And the unit will actually not trip the breaker now. Like so. Blower motor ramped up like it should. I'll probably end up putting this old breaker back on. If I can find it anyway. The little piece that connects them, I dropped it. She may just be getting her new breaker anyway. Working in with the price of, oh, there it is. Let's see here. Don't be a pain. And the reason I didn't check the compressor first is because it wasn't automatically tripping. At least I didn't think it was with an old breaker. It was just one leg was tripping. I didn't catch that, so put this old breaker back on. If she does need a new one, then I'll replace it too, but I think the breaker's alright. I'm not going to charge her for something she really don't need. If it was mine, I'd go ahead and replace it, but it ain't mine. Snug her down tight. There we go. And with it unplugged, stays on like runs like a champ. I'm sure. Can hear that X13 ramping up. 2010 ream. So there you got it. Bad compressor. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and share the video.